Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today is a very big day for me. This is the day I've been waiting for since I was 15 years old. I'm 47 now. That is when I discovered the 59 Belvedere sitting in the back of a scrapyard in a forest, just wasting away. And it's still sitting there today. Nobody has wanted that vehicle. I have waited year after year for the scrapyard to actually be able to get near it. There's been numerous phone calls where they told me, be ready, we're going to have it out in the next day or two, and it didn't happen. That's gone on for years. Well, they called me yesterday and said, be there at 10 o'clock this morning. We're getting it out. I have no confirmation this morning on whether that's true or not, but I'm going anyway. We got an empty trailer on, and we are going to rescue the Kraken. I don't even know what I'm feeling right now. I've wanted this car for so long. I don't even know what I'm doing to it, what my plan is, but this car deserves to be rescued. It deserves to be brought back to life. So let's go get the Kraken. And here we go. We got a long wander to the very back. Keep looking at this thing like maybe there's some parts I need off of it, but it's pretty trashed. We'll see. Every time I come here, there's always new stuff to see. Wow, it is so deep. It just gets deeper and deeper every time I come. They're just getting ready to do a squash. And we are just getting to the rainy season, so things are about to get really muddy. Now, when I was a kid, I was allowed to watch the movie Christine at way too young of an age. You know, back when you would rent it from the store and watch it over and over and over and watch it as many times as you could before you had to return the video to the store. Well, I was watching Christine when I was about 6 or 7, and I can't even count how many times I watched it, and I just loved the car. And my dad brought me here when I was 15, and there was a 57 Plymouth Fury sitting on a half-ton Chevy 4x4 chassis. And I was really into mud boggers back then. My dad would take me to the mud bogs, and I thought it was the coolest looking car I'd ever seen on a 4x4 chassis. That does not mean this is my plan. We are not building Christine. We are not building that vehicle I saw when I was 15. I missed out. The next time we went back, the Fury was gone. I really wanted it. I didn't think my dad thought it was a good car for me anyway. But the Belvedere was sitting next to it all this time. Everybody wanted the Fury because of the movie. Nobody wanted the Belvedere. It didn't have the same fins. To me, it is just beautiful. I love this car. Have always wanted it. And we're getting it today. So I have to go talk to my car and let it know it's coming home today. Make sure it's okay with that. Let it know that it's going to sleep indoors for the first time tonight. Look at that. Someone actually daily drives that. It's got airbags in it. I'm not sure what chassis, but I'm guessing it's got a Cummins in it. Looks like a Dodge chassis underneath. Ooh, look at that C10. Isn't that a nice truck? This is the squash pile. The squashers actually coming in this week to destroy all of these. Under these trees is where we got the pace car out of. It's full already. So this is the reason we couldn't actually get near it, was because for so many years they stacked tires up in front of it. I'm talking thousands of tires. All the way to the very back. I've never actually seen a path through here like this. It's usually just vehicles upon vehicles. You can hardly walk back to here. Look at that. You can actually access the Acadian. That one's pretty rotten though. Look at that. There it is under the trees waiting. Make you think of the movie or what? It's coming home. So let's get the loader and get it out of here. Definitely not an easy corner. Look at that, how good he is. He leaves about 4 inches between the door. Oh, that's stressful to watch. First time I've ever seen underneath it. Yeah, all the suspension's there. Shocks are still in it. Well, it's even still got the exhaust in it. Alright. That is just barely balancing on those forks. Stressing the living crap out of me. Oh, wow. It's just teeter-tottering on the forks. And it just started raining. We needed to get it out of here before it got muddy. And it's supposed to rain, I think, for quite a few hours today. Well, I guess we're putting it on the trailer next. Look at that. It's on the trailer. 35 years, he said, it's been here. I even love the moss. The moss is coming with us. I have no idea what's in the trunk. We'll check that when we get home. I thought it was black. It's actually blue with a blue interior. The dent in the roof popped out really easily already. Put it on backwards so we don't fill the inside with road grime and water. Now I have to gently haul it home. So let's take it to the shop and pressure wash it. But I got it. I got my Belvedere finally. I'm so excited. It's hit the road. Well, it's clean. I can evaluate a little better. It needs everything. And of course I don't care. I'm amazed that the quarter panels are not rotted right out. They've started in the bottom. We got a few dents along here. The trunk floor is rotted right out. You can see the rockers are rotted out. I haven't even got to doing the inside. Oh yes, and what was in the trunk? There was 2 carburetors. That was about it. And the air cleaner. No bodies in the trunk, so we're safe. It needs a lot, and I just love it. So I'm actually going to let it sleep in the shop tonight because it deserves that. And then take it to the other yard where I store them all until I get to it. My goodness, what a long time coming. Now I'm just going to take my time and look at it and design it because I have no idea what I want to do yet. Normally my builds come to me. I can have a vehicle built inside of 30 seconds in my head. This one's a little different. Kind of leaving it up to the car to see what it's going to want. It'll speak to me eventually. I just love that fin. That is such a cool quarter panel. But there you go. The Belvedere is home finally. Another awesome rescue. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.